So today's dish is the shakshuka, Tunisian shakshuka. It's a healthy dish made by vegetables and egg. And when you come back from the work and you are very tired, you can make it in few minutes.
In Tunisia, we eat shakshuka with a lot of bread. So I will try Tunisian way. So we go with the finger like this. عايشي داس.
I can add some harissa because I like it spicy. I love harissa.
Okay, today I'm going to make the Tunisian shakshuka. These are the ingredients which one going to make shakshuka. First we will take some olive oil and onion, green sweet pepper, chili pepper, some garlic, some tomatoes and 2 eggs, and cumin powder, and parsley and some harissa. After I will tell you how to make the harissa and homemade. Okay, I'm going to make the shakshuka now. So first we make the solo fire here in the saucepan, and then I will add the oil. So when just start the oil hot, we are going to put the onion. It will saute a few minutes more. Okay, now I am going to add some garlic. Saute few seconds, few minutes more. Just take some flavor. Adding little bit the cumin powder. Just put this one, few seconds. Then I will add my tomatoes. When you eat the diced tomatoes, it's quickly cooked, so no need to take too much time. But if you take the fresh tomatoes, you cook little bit more time. Okay, now I will add my green pepper, sweet chili, and I will add the spicy chili here. When you saute the pepper, then you can add the harissa a little bit. Okay, now I will add the harissa. Okay, now I need to put the salt and black pepper a little bit, and I'm going to press some black pepper. So almost our shakshuka is done. I will cook little bit water to cook our vegetable. So you need to be little bit water here. The pepper is almost done. I will going to put my egg. Make 1 egg here. We need to give the space each egg. So just will go cover few minutes to cook the white egg. It take 3 to 5 minutes, depend on your fire, how strong. Yellow egg should be running, not cooked. The white one need to cook, but yellow should be running. So almost now maybe 1 minute more. just cover 1 minute. Okay, now the egg is almost set. So we'll close the fire. So now I'm going to make the each person the parsley. We'll just make the decoration.